So this is a question 45. The question states that a firm is in a perfect market with perfect competition has the following total cost function. Perfect competition implies that there is a lot of number of buyers and a great number of sellers together. And the total cost function is A plus BQ, where Q is the quantity produced by the firm, alpha is the fixed cost. Alpha, I mean, here it is A. A is the fixed cost and BQ is the variable cost. What will happen if fixed cost increase? Now, this is the total cost. Total cost is the sum of fixed cost and variable cost. Here, the thing is fixed cost. We have fixed cost and variable cost only in the short run. In the long run, we can change every cost. So in the long run, all costs are the variable cost and there is no fixed cost in the long run. And what is the implication of fixed cost? Fixed costs are the cost that won't change with the production. Say if we are producing at some land, so the cost of building or land will remains the same whether you would produce 10 output in that building or whether you produce a ton or 1,000 or 10,000 output, so it will remains the same. So this is what the fixed cost, and the variable cost is the cost that would vary with the produced output. Like say the electricity, when you produce more output then your electricity consumption will be more, and so with the more production your electricity cost will rise. So it is variable cost because it depends on the output. The same is the labor. We can say that if we have to supply more, we need more labor, and due to which we have to pay more labor wages, so our wage cost will increase. So this is what is known. Another option is in the short run, the firm's average variable cost curve will shift upward. Okay, the average variable cost, here we have only fixed cost increases. Now average variable cost is variable cost divided by Q, that is BQ divided by Q. Now here, do we have any role of fixed cost here? No, we don't have any role of fixed cost here. It all depends on the variable cost. So with increase in fixed cost, there is no change in average variable cost because our variable cost is not changing due to fixed cost. So this option is correct. Now the second option, in the short run the firm's average total cost will shift upward. Now we have to, for this we have to check what is average total cost. Average total cost is total cost divided by Q, and what we have total cost is A plus BQ divided by Q. Now this A is increasing. Okay, here we have fixed cost in the role. Now with increase in A, what is happening? Our numerator is increasing. With increase in numerator, what would happen? While our numerator is increasing but our denominator is remaining the same. So when our numerator will increase and our denominator will remains the same, then overall our average total cost will increase. Therefore, and what is average total cost curve will shift upward. It is like this. Okay, this is our say average total cost. Now if it shifts upward, now it is the quantity. At the given quantity, our average total cost will rise. This is average total cost 0 before increasing the fixed cost, and this is average total cost 1. So with increase in output, with increasing fixed cost, our average total cost shift upward implies that our average total cost is increasing at the given level of output, which is the true statement here. Therefore option B is correct. The firm will earn higher profit. Now what is the formula of profit? Profit equals to total revenue minus total cost. Now, what is happening? Are fixed cost increasing? It is fixed cost plus variable cost. Now our fixed cost is increasing, but variable cost remaining the same. Now if a fixed cost is increasing, this implies that overall total cost is increasing. This is increasing. Now if our total cost is increasing and total revenue remains the same, but we are now from the given amount we are subtracting more, then this implies that our profit is falling instead of increasing. So this option is also incorrect. In the short run, the firm's marginal cost curve will shift upward. Now, what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is the cost that we incurred additional due to the increasing output. Say if we increase our output from 4 to 5, then how much extra cost we are incurring due to this. Now, the main point to note here is that in the short run, the fixed cost remains same for all the level of output. This and only variable cost is increasing, is changing with output. So if we move from 4 to 5, then our fixed cost is not changing. Okay, but marginal cost only depends on variable cost. Why? Because it is the only cost which is increasing with output. Fixed cost remains the same. So marginal cost get only affected by the variable cost. And in the given question, our variable cost is not changing, only fixed cost is increasing. So there will be no impact on marginal cost, and therefore this curve will remain the same. Will only depends on variable cost, and we can't say that it will increase. Therefore the only correct option is B in the given question 45. I hope you find this solution helpful, and if it is so, then please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.